Hey, I'm really excited to share something special with you. On this 25th March, I'm hosting an experience called Take a Breath, an afternoon created to help you pause, reset, and reconnect in a gentle, nourishing way. If life has felt busy, heavy, or just full lately, then this space is for you. We'll spend a few beautiful hours together exploring breathwork, diverse dance movements, singing and sound, creative expression, and meditation. Listen up, you don't need any experience to get into this event. You don't need to be good at anything. And importantly, you don't need to fix yourself. This experience is open to ages 16 to 70. So within that range, all are welcome. You simply need to arrive as you are. Some people hearing 4 hours and think that sounds like a long hours. I promise, really, it's going to be a grounding and deeply supportive environment, making you to feel more lighter, calmer, and connect with your inner world. We'll also be sharing a nourishing lunch and tea together, so you can truly relax and feel looked after throughout that afternoon. This experience isn't about pushing or striving, it's about slowing down, listening inward, and remembering what it feels like to breathe with intention. Or if you'd like to reconnect to your body, breath, and inner world, I love to welcome you. Spaces are limited, so I would encourage early registration. You can also bring a friend for free because these experiences are more powerful when shared. Hope to see you there.